Hello everyone and Merry Christmas. We are going to do a wreath ornament craft. What you'll need for this craft is green pipe cleaners, some Christmas beads. I did red, green, and white. And if you want to get a little fancy, you can have some holiday ribbons. So, first what I'm going to do is take my sparkly pipe cleaner and we're going to put on these really cool like triangular beads in a pattern that goes green bead, red bead, and white bead. You can do it in whatever pattern you want, but that's just what pattern I'm going to make my wreath.
This is my pattern. It's red, green, white.
Cool.
Okay. I'm going to do 5 green, 1 red. 5 green, 1 red.
Yep, so you can do whatever pattern you want. Actually, I think I'll do 2 greens and then red and white.
I'm going to do red, white, and green.
Okay, so here's the timer. Cross them like this and twist them. And the pipe cleaners are easy to work with because you can just mold them like how you want. So I twisted it twice and they're together. And then I'm going to separate these strands and put one under. And then you can loop it if you want to make a bow. And then you could just twist them together. And you can mold it depending if you want the bow to be on the top or the bottom. And then you're going to take a string, tie it on, and you can also put it in between the beads if you want it to stay. And then tie a knot. Don't forget to leave room to hang it on the tree. And you might want to double knot it so it doesn't fall out.
Make it circle again.
Yeah, and then make it circle. And you can hang it on the tree. This is my wreath that I made. And we also have this one. Hope you liked making the wreath ornaments.